Hello teacher, I'm Jihan. Today we are presenting our Campus Lost and Found Management System for this analysis course. Our purpose is to demonstrate a complete software development lifecycle and a working application that improves how lost items are managed on our campus. Our presentation follows a simple flow: introduction, development, demo, and conclusion, as you can see. First, I will explain the problem and our solution. Then my team will explain the STLC phases like planning and testing. Finally, we will show you the demo for application. Currently, handling lost items on a campus is a manual and messy process. There is no central system. Information is scattered across paper notes or different messages. This makes the process slow, inconsistent, and hard to track. It causes time loss for students and increases the workload for staff. To fix this, we developed a centralized mobile application. In our system, officers can register items with photos and students can easily search and submit claims. We also included real-time chat to solve disputes quickly and audit logs for security. This solution makes the entire workflow transparent and efficient. Now I will pass the word to Alena to talk about our team and planning.
I'm Elena. Before moving into SDLC details, I would like to briefly explain our team's structure. Our team has 6 members, each with clear responsibilities across planning, requirements, design, development, testing, deployment, and full front-end back-end implementation. We worked in parallel with regular coordination, which help us stay efficient and keep responsibilities clear. Our project follows the SDLC phases required in SW307 from planning to deployment planning. For each phase, we produced clear outputs such as requirement documents, design decisions, implemented features, and testing results, allowing us to demonstrate the full software lifecycle. In the planning phase, we defined the scope as digitizing the campus lost and found process. We planned the project as the 4-week academic sprint and selected Flutter and Firebase for cross-platform, secure, and scalable development. Key risks were reduced by using early testing and an iterative development approach.
I am Esmanur. I will briefly explain requirement analysis and system design. In phase 2, we define the main requirements of the system. Users can register and login. Officers can register found items with basic details such as title, category, location, date and time, and photos. Students can search and filter items and submit claim requests with verification notes. Officers review these claims and approve or reject them. The system also supports real-time messaging for each item. We also focused on non-functional requirements such as security, performance, usability, and scalability. In phase 3, we design a simple and scalable system architecture. The system uses a three-layer structure: Flutter UI for presentation, review pool for business logic, and repositories for data management. Core entities include found item, claim request, chat message, app user, and audit log. Roles are clearly defined. Students can browse, claim, and chat. Officers register items and manage claims, and administrators have full access. Navigation is handled with Go Router to support clear user flows.
I am Tuana. I will be presenting the development and testing phases. In the development phase, our goal was to turn the approved requirements and system design into a working application. As shown on the slide, development focused on implementing the system as a complete workflow rather than isolated features. We followed a structured approach where each main function of the system was implemented in a consistent and maintainable way. The application was developed with clearly separated features, allowing us to manage complexity and support feature extension. During development, we focused on ensuring that different user roles experience the system correctly and can only perform actions relevant to their responsibilities. The core development effort centered on the found item workflow. This includes registering items, browsing and searching, submitting claims, reviewing decisions, and reflecting status changes directly in the interface. These steps are connected as a single continuous flow, ensuring a smooth user experience. To support coordination, communication was integrated directly into the system through item-based messaging. This allows users to interact efficiently without relying on external tools. Overall, the development phase resulted in a stable prototype that demonstrates the complete operational process of the system and forms the foundation for validation and testing. Testing focused on validating that the implemented system behaves reliably under real usage scenarios. As highlighted on the slide, we approach testing from end-to-end perspective. Instead of testing features in isolation, we verified the full user journey, starting from item registration and continuing through search, claim submission, decision handling, and communication. We validated that the critical actions function correctly and that stage changes are reflected consistently across the system. This includes verifying user interactions, data handling, and synchronization between different parts of the application. Special attention was given to workflow stability and consistency. We ensured that the system responds correctly to users' actions and maintains predictable behavior through the process. Based on these tests, we confirmed that the core workflows are stable, reliable, and suitable for demonstration. This validation provides confidence that the system is ready for presentation and aligns with both academic and business expectations.
I will be presenting testing and deployment planning. I will start with the deployment plan because management usually cares about release readiness. Our deployment plan includes preparation, platform build, automation, and monitoring. We prepared access control rules so only authentic users can read and write, and users can only modify their own profile data. For photos uploaded, permissions and file limits are defined. We also prepared Android release outputs and planned iOS as a future step. From a business perspective, the system delivers clear benefits. Efficiently, centralized registration and search reduce manual coordination. Transparency, claim status or decision are tracked and visible. Accountability, audit logs record critical actions. Faster resolution, messages reduce delays between officers and claimants. Improvement satisfaction, students find items faster and trust the process more. In short, it turns a fragment process into a standardized campus service. To conclude, we successfully conclude all the SDLC phases: planning, requirements analysis, system design, development, testing, and deployment planning, and we produce a working system. As next steps, we can extend the project with push notifications, stronger identity verification, advanced search, multilingual support, and offline capabilities. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Alidip Manktay. Today, I will present our application Campus Lost and Found system. This application helps manage lost and found items on campus. First, the application opens with the login page. Users enter their email and password here. If a user does not have an account, they can sign up very quickly using name, student number, email, and password. We have already an account. .com. After login, we go to the home page. On the home page, users see all found items. Each item shows the name, category, and location. Users can search for items very easily using item's name, for example, or, and using category. Now I will show the add item page. On this page, users can report a found item. They enter the item name, for example, ID card, select and category, found location. They can also upload photo, for example, found date, time, and description. After clicking submit, the item is added. Now I open the item to show the detail page. Here users can see the photo, date, and full description. If you add this item, you can edit or delete it. For example, ID, student center, description, ID, card, save change, item updated. If I want, I can delete it, like this. Now, I will show the message and claim process. First, I will send a message to the finder. Hello. I go to the claim section and click send claim. Like this. My name, Edip, my student number, and verification note. Now I need to approve this request from the other account. So I will log out. I am logging with the finder's account. Look, I have a new message. I can see the users want the item. Now I go to the claims page. I see the claim request here. I click approve or reject. I click the approve to finish the process. The item is now matched. In summary, this application allows users to log in, search for items, send message, and manage claims. Thank you for listening.